Welcome back to another video with the Nissan Titan. In this video, we'll be replacing the air filter. It's a pretty simple process, maybe. If you have a weird smell in your car, if you have tons of dust coming out of your vents, it might be worth the time, effort to change out the air filter. If you haven't changed it out since you bought the vehicle, do yourself and your passengers a favor, change out the air filter. On the Nissan Titan, pretty simple. It's located behind the glove box, but to get it out, you need to remove a few clips. So, under here, there should be a clip right here. I pulled it out, it's actually right here. You can pull it out with your hand. There's a second clip right here. And the third one is pretty hard to get to because you can see the hinge right here. It goes back in there. Is that it? No, it's further, way further back. You can't make it out in the lighting, but it's back there. Once the three clips are out, this is what they look like. They literally, you can pull it out with your hand, open the glove box, pull out just a little bit and down. I'm gonna do a little bit of dusting in here, but you have your air filter box. I don't know what this thing is, but I probably shouldn't pull on it. I actually really do wonder what this is. Anyway, enough distractions. Air filter box, right in there. You have a tab here, and then you have a tab on the other side. Squeeze, squeeze. Lid comes out. I'm going to be cleaning this too. And your air filter is right in there. It's a really tight fit, I'm going to be honest with you guys. But let's see how good this thing's looking. Has anybody ever changed it? I don't know. Let me pull it off camera because I need two hands for this. I just pulled out the air filter, but look at what it says here. Change it every year or 15,000 miles. This is what my air filter looks like. It doesn't look too bad, but I see a ton of dust. So let's do a quick test right here. Oh yes, I don't know if you saw that. I don't know if you can see that, but there's a ton of dust in there. We're getting rid of that. We got a nice, new, clean one. To put it in, you're gonna need two hands to do this, but you kind of need to squeeze it in. It's a really tight fit, but squeeze it in. Airflow, arrow pointing down. Let's get it in there. Okay, so cover's in, air filter's in. Let's get this box in. Do this one-handed. Align the tabs, and then just try to close it. Oh wait, you need to get these tabs in too. Out. Push the back in, front in, close it up. Okay, and now for the hard part. Let's get these clips in. Two of them I can do on camera because they're pretty easy to do. It's like, look at that. Can you see it right there? Pretty simple. Just at least get one end in, like so. Turn it up and push it in. There. See that? Not that complicated. Got one in. Get the second side in. That's right. I mean, you can't even see it's such a tight fit in there, but right there. Third one I can't get because it's back there. I'll have to do that off camera, but that's how you get it in really quickly. Couple minutes of work. You got a clean air filter. You got filtered air. Hope you guys found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.